and welcome to the video about agent instruction history. My name is Nikola Kukrika and I'm a principal software engineer. One of the areas that I'm working on is agents. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the agent instruction history in order not to lose any work. We are auto-saving all of the instructions that you are typing in the agent playground. Every time when you run the task, we are going to save a version to the instruction log. And this way we are ensuring that you do not lose any work. You are still able to save the specific instruction version to the history if you want to do it manually. So if you have typed something that is quite good and you would like to preserve it as a specific version to history, you can do this through this specific action. Now, I'm going to show you how you can do this within the Business Central UI. To show you this one in product, if we go to this agent that I was developing in the background and invoke the edit instructions, you will see that I have the buttons now to save history, view history, and also download the instructions. If I invoke the button to download the instructions, I will get it to save automatically to disk. If I invoke view history, you will see that it was saving everything that I typed in if I ran a task. We wanted to avoid saving too much and creating a too long list. Thus, we believe if you run a task with a specific instruction, that you have created a significant amount of work that you would like auto-saved. You can quickly navigate through the list, and you can give them also a specific name if you want. So, for example, for this one, I can name this one to say that I added create reminders functionality. And then I can quickly see what this version is about. You have also the option to multi-select it and to say download selected. Then we are going to zip it and you will get all of your versions back to the disk. Because we don't have good capabilities to do the diff within the client itself, you can use this functionality to download it to disk, open it in Visual Studio Code, use Beyond Compare or any other tool if you need to analyze the instructions to get to the version that you would like to get restored. Also, you will see here that they are arranged by the specific time, so it should be relatively quick to find the instructions that you need. However, if you are in the situation where you need to use the download selected, you have this capability as well. The last thing is that you can do the save to history. So if I would like to save this to our history, let's say that I make a change that I would like to preserve, to say do not create sales invoices. And imagine that I typed more text here, which I would like to save. Now I can say save to history, and I can give it a name. And it's up to you how you version these specific things. Now, when I got it, it got saved to the history. And if I update the agent like this, and if I go back to it, and then I edit the instructions, and let's simply like delete the dot and update it again. The thing that you will see now is, if I go back to the history, is that it preserved my previous version and it added a -2 to the change that I just made by deleting few dots. So, to summarize the video, you have seen that we are saving instructions to history each time when you run the tasks. Thus, you should not worry if you're going to lose any of the work that you did. You have the option to manually save and edit the version names so you can quickly find or go back to the specific versions. And the thing that I would like to highlight is that you need to export manually, as you have seen me using the download button, because we are not exporting the instruction history when you are exporting the agent. If you have any feedback to this functionality or would like to reach out to us, please reach us through the Viva Engage, and thank you very much for your attention.